Hi everyone, I'm Akriti Wadhwa from DNA Growth, and today I have with me Mr. Raman Deepak Bhrigu, the founder of Mangrove India Private Limited. Hi Mr. Bhrigu, how are you?
Hi, Visha. Hi, Akriti. How are you? I'm doing good.
It's a pleasure having you.
Thanks.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah,
pleasure having you here. So tell us about the founding story of Mangrove. How did you come across this idea, and what was your inspiring story here? Please tell us.
yeah. Thanks for the question, Akriti. See, earlier, in 2019 December, me and my director of this company, Himanshu Sharma, we thought of doing something which create no like the- if you see the environment. So our main motto was to fulfill the environment, save the environment in better way with the daily use products. How we can avoid the carbon footprints on this
Yeah.
land. Okay, so we thought of the daily use of two products. So we done a lot of R&D in that. So, but later on, by the start of 2020, then we decided with the two products, uh, this reusable cloth diapers and the biodegradable sanitary pads.
Hmm.
Both products are the essential products and
Yeah.
daily use products in day-to-day life. Okay,
Yeah.
so when we did a lot of you know projects R&D related to this, how we can give better shape to the end users,
Hmm.
right? And how we can do something different from others, because already in the market something, because disposable things are already in the market.
Hmm.
So how we can compete the competitors.
Hmm.
So we did day and night work on this, and lately we find out by this in Corona period, we also got this Corona time, so we utilized 24 into 7 in
Yeah.
this product. So we finalized this two products: reusable floor diapers and the biodegradable sanitary pads. This is the start story of the mangrove. Why mangrove?
Why mangrove? Actually, that is,
See, yeah,
yeah.
this is why only mangrove? Why not only something else? Why
Yeah.
mangrove? See, it's you know about Amazon.
Hmm.
So Amazon, if we consider as a big consider a jungle name called Amazon.
Hmm. Hmm.
From there, I thought of some. I'm a bit of it. So in a jungle,
Hmm.
where this tree grows up in that jungle, actually Amazon
Yeah.
jungle.
Okay.
So that is natural based tree actually.
Yeah.
So that calls a mangrove.
Okay. That's a very
This is
interesting.
how we started.
Yeah. Yeah. That's nice. Almost every business has some challenge or the other, and especially when it's a new business, there are a number of challenges that a business owner can come across. So, what was it with your business that maybe at some point completely bogged you down, or pushed you to make more efforts and make this a successful venture? Any challenges in particular?
Yeah, see, we face challenges uh, in terms of funds.
Yeah.
Okay, we face, and we, because we have the concept, we have everything in place.
Hmm.
uh, how should with the product, what shape, better shape we can give to the product, how it will be liked by the end user.
Yeah.
So those questions came in our mind. So we done a lot of brainstorming, but ultimately our challenge, major challenge, is to make people aware of it.
Yeah.
Because if you consider this reusable cloth diaper,
Yeah.
it's like, if we see, like in India, out of 100%, only 1%, 2% people know about it.
True.
Okay, so rest of the people, the figure came up like 97%. For that 97%, we have to create the awareness.
Okay.
That is the challenging part, major challenging part in our
Yeah.
product,
Yeah.
to make people aware. Why? Like, there's no corona. In this corona period, now a layman knows how to, why to wear mask,
Yeah.
because he knows. Yeah, so that way we have to come up in the market on a ground level,
Yeah.
and generate awareness. So this is, I'm thinking of the biggest challenge I'm gonna face in coming months.
Is one.
Yeah.
Right. Like you said that this market has a lot of players and there are a lot of new players that are cropping up. So what is it that sets your venture apart from the others? What is your USP?
See, if we talk about reusable cloth diaper,
Yeah.
I don't have any competitor
Okay.
as of now.
Okay.
In north, east, west, I don't have any competitor.
Okay.
Yeah, south we have 2 3 competitors, but the point is those people are selling through the e-commerce channel.
Mm.
Okay, but in our case we are focusing more on distributor channels, retailer channels,
Mhm.
because the point is, suppose if we talk about my mother,
Hmm.
not every mother know how to use e-commerce websites.
Right.
They simply go in the market, or they go by a driver, say,
Yeah.
stop the car and purchase this, the reusable diaper or anything,
Yeah.
or a sanitary pad.
Yeah.
Okay, so the near one retail shop guy or general store guy
Yeah.
will sell more to the those kind of
Yeah.
marketings. So that's why our first thing, our USP in reusable cloth diaper is nobody can beat us in terms of cost,
Yeah.
in terms of health benefits, in terms of environment friendly, in terms of baby friendly, and already I mentioned cost effective.
Exactly.
So these are the USPs of my product. Okay, yeah. In case of biodegradable sanitary pads, we have a competitor, but the same thing will come. They are selling through e-commerce. That's why I made my market some way different to beat the my, like, competitors.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
You must have had some plans for 2020 and COVID reigned all over our plans. I think that goes for all of us. So, is there anything
Yeah.
in particular that was a roadblock during this time?
See, uh, in India, what throughout the world, people know Corona make people lives hell.
It, it quite.
In terms of individual, in terms of market, in terms
Yeah.
of schools, everywhere it hit the market, Corona.
Yeah.
So in that case, but I have not thought of anything with that Corona beat me or Corona stopped me to take my plans lower down, or my thinking lower down, because Corona is there.
Yeah.
Only my strategy, I have already started my production.
Yeah.
Okay, by, and I'm already take up with sales guys. My priority will be launch like 1st of December. Might be I'll launch my product in the market, or by max by 10th of December.
Okay.
So I don't think so Corona will hit me. I'll give, because I'm gonna give benefit to child and mother
Yeah.
in terms of. So let's see how it goes.
Good luck with that. And lastly, any
Yeah,
message for our viewers, your potential clients, and your potential consumers? What would you like to say?
my yeah, my message to the population of India, the mother who carrying a baby, just to see what benefits your health.
Yeah.
Don't think about the money. Organic thing will be costlier than the disposable things, but just see the later on stage will give you benefits upon your health.
Yeah.
So just go with this organic things,
Yeah.
use it, and as I mentioned, reuse it
Yeah.
because it's a reusable type.
Yeah.
So and just give it, at least try to it
Yeah.
at least once, then see what benefits you will have in coming future with your baby and your individual health.
We are certain
So
that we will get the desired results in the coming year.
thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you for taking out time and speaking to us, Mr. Brigu. And
Yeah.
we hope
My
you
pleasure.
all the luck and all the best for your product.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your